This is a Motorola One Action. Honestly, I don't really know what to fully clarify it as, but I see it as a budget smartphone. It retails for about $350, and I can say right off the bat that you can find better phones for this price, hands down. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode, and today I'm going to be talking about my experience with the Motorola One Action. So, without further delay, let's dive right in. So looking at design, you'll notice that this phone is made from plastic. It does have a brushed kind of metal feel to it, but you can find phones at this price range that actually use better build quality. I do like how the fingerprint is embedded into the Motorola logo on the back of the phone, and it performs quite quickly. It's got a headphone jack on the top for those people who still like a headphone jack, and on the bottom we get a USB-C port with a single downward firing speaker, which, believe it or not, it gets pretty loud. On the right hand side, we get our volume rocker as well as our power button, and on the left side, we get the SIM tray, which also equates to expandable storage. Internally, you'll be getting 128 gigs of internal storage, which for me is more than enough. Before I talk about display, I want to talk about cameras. Look, I don't use smartphone cameras that often anymore, so for me, it really doesn't determine whether I pick up a phone or not. What I noticed is that even if the camera is bad, you can always side download the Pixel Camera APK, which will significantly improve the quality of your photos. And that's what I did. I still don't use a camera on this phone unless I really need to. If you just need to capture the moment, then you'll be fine because you get a 12 megapixel wide camera, 16 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor camera. I don't have sample images because, well, like I said in my past videos and I'm saying right now, I just don't use my smartphone as a camera anymore. Now, display is what got me hooked onto this phone. Yeah, it's not a Quad HD display. Yeah, it's not AMOLED. It's not 90 or 120 Hz, but it's got a 21:9 aspect ratio, which I absolutely love. And I wish that every other smartphone would adopt this aspect ratio. It makes watching videos really good. Viewing content is also great as well. The hole punch is rather large, but it actually doesn't get in my way. And all in all, for the retail price of $350, you are getting a pretty good screen. Now, battery life, that's been great. A 3,500 mAh battery, and this has easily gotten me throughout the entire day. You don't need to worry about this phone dying out on you. It also has fairly fast charging. It's not something fast like Warp Charge 30T on the OnePlus 7T, but I can usually get like 45% in like 30 minutes. I'll continue to test this phone, but for now, I'm going to just use it as a media device and for my business work as well. Motorola has so many different types of phones in the mid-range segment, and I believe that it is time for them to move back into flagship category. I know that they will bring amazing things in 2020, and their foldable Razr is going to be the key back into that flagship game. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until the next video, this is MTG.